This is what we do when we're bored.
So, I'm winning. Ooh. Yes!
Here, let's see. Woody.
Picked him before.
Oh no! I won.
No, you didn't.
I didn't? Look how many I have. And look how many you have.
I won.
No, look. I have this many.
No, I
have this many.
Wait.
And you have that many.
If you guys rewind it, you can see some of the cards I picked in there in that pile. So they're mine. Yes. Wow.
Shaky hands, Doc. I'm good. Should have been a surgeon.
Ah! Ah!
How many?
5. I have.
And I have 7.
You beat me by 2. I have the
Winner! We're being quiet because Kristen's sleeping. She worked last night at the hospital. I gotta get Declan a haircut because even if a barber would come here by himself or herself to cut Declan's hair or our hair, we wouldn't do that to them because we think we possibly, we've definitely been exposed, but we think that we may have it. We'll see. Let me see, turn around.
Wow, I'm pretty impressed. He did your hard part. Did you see it?
Hey, go look in the mirror.
Yeah.
We have to slightly trim the front a little bit, but turn around one more time. Let me see. Let me see. It's gonna do for now, for the apocalypse. Watch.
Oh my gosh.
He lands it.
Crazy.
Okay. That's some haircut he's got, huh? We cut his hair last night in the basement. I'm not a barber by any means, but I don't think it came out that bad. It's another morning. We slept till about 11:30. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a haircut soon. It's getting long, but it is another morning. I don't even know what day today is. Thursday, March 26th, and we are still in full lockdown. Right? I'm gonna make a nice little breakfast for us. Kristen is sleeping. She did work at the hospital last night, but I'm gonna make some breakfast for Declan and I. And Bean is up too. My favorite thing to make breakfast on, believe it or not, is this skillet, which is backwards right now.
I don't think I've ever seen you make it on this.
No? Yeah, I make it on this mostly when we're camping. Sometimes when we're home, but...
He likes to make it seem like we're camping.
And then... put the brick on it.
Huh? Why'd you put it like that?
Slice it down. I move it from baking to bacon.
I never even knew there was a brick under our table. Well, now I know.
That is how you cause a heart attack. Oi! And then we have the finished product, which I messed up a little bit because I almost dropped the plate. So my presentation is not that well, but that's okay because I'm not a chef. Brr! Oh, I heard the call. Where could he be? Where? Oh! You need to be careful because sometimes they hide so well. We're close. I can feel it. But you get so close, all of a sudden you get too close to them and they attack. Ah! Ah! Oh, there he is! There he is! I can't get out. Oh, nosedive!
Yeah, that's what happened.
A little too much off the gas.
I let go of the gas totally.
So you give it a little gas. Let's say, give it like a little zoom in the air. Whoa! Dude, that was monster air.
Like metal in a workshop. Okay, so he's gonna fly the drone while I'm on the trampoline, and I'm also gonna show you a couple tricks on the trampoline.
Look, there's our motorhome sitting idle because we were supposed to go RVing next week, but they canceled our reservation. Hopefully the wind's not too much. What's going on here? Oh, I hit the camera. My bad.
Where were you?
Hold on. Here we go.
He's alright.
I tried to hit you. Wait. I killed.
Thank you everyone for watching. Click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the bell to get more notifications when the videos comes out.
And click the bell. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Stay healthy, everybody. With all this craziness going on, we'll have another video in a couple days. See ya. Double guns.